Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of belt conveyors. Whether you're working in mines, steel plants or thermal power stations, understanding the essential parts of a belt conveyor and their uses can make a huge difference in efficiency and safety. First up, let's talk about the conveyor belt itself. This is the heart of the system, moving materials from point A to point B. Typically made of rubber, fabric or metal, the belt needs to be durable and resistant to wear. Think of it as the roadway for your materials. Next, we have the pulleys. These are the wheels around which the conveyor belt moves. There are two main types, the drive pulley and the tail pulley. The drive pulley, connected to a motor, powers the belt. The tail pulley simply turns to guide the belt back around. Now, let's look at the idlers. These are the rollers that support the belt and the materials on it. They come in various shapes and sizes, like troughing idlers, which help form the belt into a trough to carry loose material. Then there are return idlers, which keep the belt flat as it moves back. Another crucial component is the motor. This is the powerhouse of the conveyor, driving the belt forward. In industrial settings, motors are usually high horsepower units capable of moving tons of material. Don't forget about the belt cleaner. Located at the discharge point, this component scrapes off any residual material sticking to the belt, ensuring smooth operation and reducing wear. And then there's the take-up unit. This part maintains the tension of the belt, ensuring it doesn't slack or slip. There are two types, gravity take-up and screw take-up. Gravity take-up uses a counterweight to maintain tension, while screw take-up uses a manual or motorized screw mechanism. Finally, let's talk about the safety devices. These can include emergency stop buttons, pull cords, and belt alignment switches. These devices are critical for ensuring the system can be quickly shut down in case of an emergency. To sum it up, the key parts of a belt conveyor include the conveyor belt, pulleys, idlers, motor, belt cleaner, take-up unit, and safety devices. Each plays a vital role in making sure your conveyor system runs efficiently and safely. I hope this breakdown helps you better understand your conveyor system. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insightful videos. See you next time.